Welcome viewers, Roshmi again. This is another episode and the episode is very interesting. I will show you all Gujarati stitches sari, maybe on cotton, silk, tassel. So let's start. This is sari number 1 on cotton silk Mangalgiri. The best material is cotton silk Mangalgiri. This is pallu part with checks. Here is the pallu part with Gujarati stitch. All are hand embroidery, Kutch work or Gujarati work. আজকে যা দেখাবো সবই গুজরাটি স্টিচের উপর. All are Gujarati stitch. Only the material will be different and the work will be different. So this is sari number 1. It's a very pretty yellow. Yellow opor green and yellow blue diye kaj kora. There is no black on this sari. All the saris having a running blouse piece. I will show you the blouse piece also. Just have a look. This is the blouse piece portion with this type of stitch. The price of this sari is 3850. All over the body you will get this type of work, buta and border. And the price is 3850. Sari number 1. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. This is sari number 1, 3850. Moving to the next sari, the same material, only the work is different. See, this is the pallu part. Here is the pallu part. Price remains same, 3850, and the material is cotton silk Mangalgiri. This is cotton silk Mangalgiri. Last year, those who have taken this type of material in summer, they knew that this material is very comfortable and very pretty and easy to wear also. So please do comments on my YouTube channel regarding the quality and give your valuable feedback. This is sari number 2. Material is cotton silk Mangalgiri with Gujarati work. In this sari you will get a border along with the buta with a copper zari, and the price is 3850. Price is 3850. This is the look, and here is the blouse piece. This portion is the blouse piece. Booking number 9330866384. Requesting all my viewers to subscribe my channel and to put some comments and to share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. Press the bell icon to get the notification of all my upcoming episodes. See, this is number 3. The color is midnight blue. This is number 3. Pallu part. See, all are Gujarati work and all are hand embroidery. I will show you different types of material, so have patience and stay till the end of the video. This is the entire look and the price is same, 3850. It will be the blouse piece. The color is midnight blue. Number 3, 3850. Moving to the next sari, another green, and it's a very eye-soothing green, very pretty. It is not very bright one, but those who like the sober color, it is ideal for them. যারা একটু সোভার কালার পছন্দ করেন, শাড়িটা ডাল নয় কিন্তু কালারটা ভীষণ সোভার, যাদের একটু সোভার কালার পছন্দ হয়, they can go for this saree. जिन लोगों को थोड़ा सोवर कलर चाहिए, ये साड़ी उसी टाइप का है. ग्रीन विथ ब्लू कॉम्बिनेशन एंड इट्स अ वेरी आई सूदिंग ग्रीन, very eye soothing green, and the price remains same, 3850. Price is 3850, and here is the blouse piece. These all are cotton silk Mangalgiri. Now this is number 5. Number 5, I will show you cotton, pure cotton, cotton silk Mangalgiri, then silk half tassar and tassar also. This is sari number 5. Sari number 5, but all will be with Gujarati stitch. This is sari number 5, chocolate color, deep chocolate color or dark chocolate color with green and yellow combination. This one is also very pretty and the price is same 3850 with copper zari, and you will get this type of checks throughout the body along with the Gujarati butta and border. Here is the blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece. Price is 3850. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. Booking number is 9330866384. You have to pay through Google Pay. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking. COD facility is now available all over India, but regarding COD facility, I have something to tell you. I will tell you this. Let's show you the sari first. This is sari number 6. It is pure Bengal cotton. This is pallu part with a light green shade. Ganga Jamuna border. You will get this type of border on both sides. Just see, this portion is green, this portion is blue, and along with the inside the sari you will get Gujarati butta of pink, blue and green color. This portion is with Kantha stitch. Just see, this portion is with Kantha stitch, but all the buttas are Gujarati one, and the price of this sari is 2750. These saris do not have any blouse piece, all are pure Bengal cotton. This is the pallu part. Price is 2750. Regarding COD facility, I would like to mention one thing. While taking the product from the delivery boy, please take a picture of that and send it back to my number, WhatsApp number, those who are taking the COD facility. যারা সিওডিতে শাড়ি নিচ্ছেন তাদের একটাই রিকোয়েস্ট করছি, আউট অফ কলকাতা, যারা আউট অফ কলকাতাও তো অনেকেই সিওডি নিচ্ছেন এখন, যেহেতু সিওডি অ্যাভেলেবেল, আপনারা জিনিসটা পাওয়ার পর ডেলিভারি ম্যান যখন আপনাদের জিনিসটা দিচ্ছে একটা ছবি তুলে নিশ্চয়ই করে পাঠিয়ে দেবেন এবং সেটাকে একদম মানে ডেফিনেটলি আমার নম্বরে পাঠিয়ে দেবেন। সি, দিস ইজ শাড়ি নাম্বার 7. Base color is beige along with grey color border on both sides and with Gujarati butta. See, the design is same as the earlier sari. This portion is entirely with Kantha work and the buttas are with Gujarati work, and the price remains same 2750. These saris do not have any blouse piece. Price is 2750. These all are pure Bengal cotton and premium quality Bengal cotton. I must say these all are premium quality Bengal cotton. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. Now sari number 8. Sari number 8. This is another very pretty sari. Very pretty bright green with royal blue along with a blouse piece. Just see. This is pallu part. This is pallu part with Gujarati work. Entire body with jari checks and butta. Just see. You will get this type of butta along with zari checks, and the price is 2950. 2950. Here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Price is 2950. Blouse piece is also pure cotton material along with that Gujarati work. I will show you again. Just see. This is the blouse piece. Entire sari. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. Booking number is 9330866384. Requesting all my viewers to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. And press the bell icon to get the notification of all my upcoming episodes. See, another one. This is pure cotton material. Pure cotton material. But what I will show you today all will be Gujarati stitch, and on the back side also you can see all Gujarati saris are available. These all are silk. These three are all silk. Material is silk. This is sari number 9. Price is same, 2950. 2950. All the sarees having a running blouse piece, cotton blouse piece with this type of work. Price is 2950. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. Now I will show you some half tassar. The material is half tassar. Just see, with a Gujarati border and buta. Just see, this is a separate border which has been stitched with the half tassar material. As you know, half tassar is a combination of cotton and tassar. Combination of tassar and cotton, and it is very comfortable, soft also. You will get this type of border, Gujarati border, along the all over the sari, along with the buta, and here is the blouse piece, red color blouse piece. You will get this type of blouse piece along with this border. See, this is the blouse piece. Sari will be like this. This will be the look of the sari. Material is half tassar and the price will be 4150. 4150. So for booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. Now I will show you sari number 11. That is also half tassar and of same design, only the color is different. Those who cannot wear red also, they can wear this one. This is with black and the price is 4150. All the designs, entire design is same, only the color is different, and the material is also half tassar. Just see, all the entire material is half tassar. This will be the look along with a blouse piece. I will show you the blouse piece also. See, here is the blouse piece. You will get this type of blouse piece along with the sari. Material is half tassar and the price is 4150. Booking number 9330866384. Requesting all of you to subscribe my channel and to share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. Now this is sari number 12. 12 is of matka, silk matka, on which this Gujarati stitch has been done. This is silk matka, Gujarati stitch has been done on this. See, here is the pallu part. This is the pallu part. It will be the pallu part. I will show you the body part also. This is sari number 12. Price is 5950. 5950. See, the color is purple and the price is 5950. This is a silk matka with cord piping and all are Gujarati stitch, all are hand stitch with buta and temple border. Just see, very simple one, but it looks very pretty. This is the color combination. The sari is having a running blouse piece. This is the portion of blouse piece. So price is 5950. Moving to the next sari, it is one silk mix and match. Sari number 13, silk mix and match. I will show you the sari. This portion from pallu, you will get this type of Gujarati work. From pallu, you will get this type of Gujarati work along with the block print. I will show you the draping view of this sari, otherwise it won't be easy for you to understand the sari. একটু পুরোটাই ড্রেপ করে দেখাচ্ছি। হাফ সারি এরকম গুজরাটি স্টিচে যাবে, হাফটা এরকম ব্লক প্রিন্টে যাচ্ছে, স্ট্রাইপ ব্লক প্রিন্ট, and the blouse is also this type of block print. You will get this type of work in the blouse piece also. This portion is block printed. It will be the look of the sari. See, this will be the look of the sari. This is the look of the sari and the price is 5800. This is silk material with silk mark certification, and on blouse piece you will get this type of work for the sleeves. This is a silk mix and match and the price is 5800. Now another one, sari number 14. This is Katan silk. Katan silk mix and match. This portion is for pallu with kalamkari print. This is Katan silk, kalamkari print. This is pallu portion with kalamkari print, and this portion is the body, entire body with yellow and red combination. Price is 6100, number 14. This is material is Katan silk with silk mark certification. Material is Katan silk. This is the look of the sari. See, this is the draping view of the sari, and the blouse piece for this sari is also with kalamkari print. The blouse piece and pallu is of same print, and the entire body red and yellow with green color work. Thread has been used for work, and the price is 6100. This material is Katan silk. This is Katan silk. Now one is zari border tassar, sari number 15. Sari number 15 is a zari border tassar on which this Katha Gujarati work has been done. See the pallu part with stripped print is also there. See, I will show you. This is half portion with the virgin color of tassar and block print along with Gujarati work. You will get this type of border in the Gujarati work in the border also, and in the body this work. Half portion will be like this, and the rest half with, see the work, rest half with this type of Gujarati work. Rest half with this type of Gujarati work. This is zari border tassar with silk mark certification. This one is also a mix and match. See, it will be the look of the sari. It will be the look of the sari. All the saris are with silk mark certification. The price of this sari is 6250. 6250, and here is the blouse piece. On the blouse piece also will get this type of work. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. Now number 16 is a Dupian silk on which this tassar Gujarati work has been done. This is the pallu part. This is pallu part with weaving. I will show you the body. The material is Dupian silk. There are some buta also, and all over the sari you will get this type of Gujarati work. This type of Gujarati work. Just see, this is the work which has been done throughout the body. The color is white with zari border, but it won't remain any more white with this Gujarati work. শাড়িটা একদম ডিফারেন্ট হয়ে গেছে দেখতে, and the price is 6850, and here is the blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece. Price is 6850. 6850. Now sari number 17, one Bangalore silk Gujarati. Price is 8850. 8850 is the price. Here is the pallu part. No-line Gujarati on silk material. এটার তো সব সময় ডিমান্ড থাকে. People are asking for the colors, so this new two colors has come. I am showing you. 8850 is the price. This is blue with a dual tone. This is blue color with yellow thread work, Gujarati work. Price is 8850. Price is 8850. All over the sari you will get this type of work. Here is the pallu part. This is the pallu part, and here is the blouse piece. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. Booking number is 9330866384. COD facility is available all over India, and you can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the product through courier. Shipping is free. Pan Asia shipping is free. Now another color. This is also Bangalore silk. Pallu part. Same design with the different color combination. This is blue color, and the price, sari number 18, price is same, 8850. 8850. This is the look of the sari with a blouse piece. See, here is the blouse piece. Price is 8850. Shipping is free all over India. Now another silk with Bishnupur silk with tie and dye. I will show you this one with rust and maroon combination. Just see, this is the pallu part. This is the pallu part. This portion is for pallu. Entire body, for entire body you will get this type of color combination. This portion is rust color. This portion is for body, which is maroon color, deep maroon color. Rust with maroon combination. See the pallu part, and the price is same. Sorry, the price for this sari is 8500. 8500 for this sari. The price for this sari is 8500, and here is the blouse piece. This portion is the blouse piece. Moving to the next sari, this is sari number 20. Another Katan silk Gujarati. Katan silk Gujarati, this is the pallu part. Katan silk Gujarati, this is pallu part. It will be the body part, green shade with a dual tone of yellow. This is the portion of work portions. Let's see, have a look on this work. These all are Gujarati work, hand embroidery with a border. Material is Katan silk. Just have a look on this. Please check, this is another very pretty sari. All over the body you will get buta. All over the body you will get buta with border. This is the look of the sari. Pallu part and the blouse piece. The blouse piece is with a contrast color. Blouse piece with a contrast color. Price is 10,800. Price for this sari is 10,800. Let me check once if I don't make a mistake. Yes, it is 10,800, sari number 20. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. Now sari number 21, another very pretty sari. I must tell you, this is on Tasar. It's also Gujarati stitch. I must say it's a fusion. Along with Gujarati work, you will get Katha also. See, this is the pallu part. This is the pallu part. See the pallu, this portion. And now material is Tasar, pure premium quality Gachi by Gachi Tasar. And just see, you will get this here, you will get Katha work. In the circle you will get Gujarati work along with Katha. This portion is also with Katha. This is a fusion of Katha and Gujarati. It's very absolutely a marvelous sari. This is pallu part, and I will show you the blouse piece. Let me drape the sari. See, this is the look of the sari, and the price for this sari is 13,350. 13,350. All are with silk mark certification. Just see, this is the look of the sari, and I will show you the blouse piece. The blouse piece, just check the blouse piece. This portion, this upper portion is for back, and another two for sleeves with all over Gujarati work. Just check the sari, and the price for this sari is 13,350. 13,350. It was a Tasar material. So viewers, if you like my saris, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Booking number is 933 0866 384. Thank you.